Welcome to the vibrant coastal city of Alicante, where the sun-kissed shores meet a rich tapestry of history and culture. Join us as we uncover the best things to do in Alicante, Spain. Number 11. Alicante Old Town. The captivating Alicante Old Town has a magnetic appeal that will sweep you off your feet. Get ready to get lost in its winding streets adorned with colorful houses, while the mouth-watering aroma of freshly brewed coffee and delectable Mediterranean dishes tantalize your senses. Discover hidden treasures tucked away in boutique shops where you can find one-of-a-kind souvenirs and handcrafted delights. Take a leisurely stroll along the palm-fringed promenade and soak in the mesmerizing views of the bustling harbor and the shimmering sea. While you're there, treat yourself to the local culinary delights at cozy taverns and lively tapas bars, where paella and sangria reign supreme. And don't forget to climb up to the historic Santa Barbara Castle for jaw-dropping panoramas of the entire city. Number 10. Castle of Santa Barbara. Make sure to include a visit to the Castle of Santa Barbara in your Alicante itinerary. This iconic attraction, perched atop Mount Benacantil, offers you stunning views of Alicante's Old Town and the city's public beaches. Getting there is easy. You can either take a leisurely walk along serene paths or hop on a convenient lift for a quick ascent. Once you arrive, take advantage of the guided tours available to delve into the castle's intriguing stories and enjoy the pivotal moments of Spanish history that have unfolded within its walls. Admire the architecture, soak in the panoramic vistas, and appreciate the rich heritage of this enchanting castle. Number 9. Villa Hoyosa. Discover the vibrant gem of Villa Hoyosa, a beloved destination less than an hour away from Alicante. The main attractions here are the brightly colored houses throughout the town. Begin your journey from the hilltop, meandering through the lively streets that lead you down to the picturesque beachfront. The seafront has a lovely promenade lined with some great bars and restaurants looking over the beautiful sandy beaches. For a delightful treat, indulge your senses at the chocolate factory, adding a touch of sweetness to your Villa Hoyosa adventure. Number 8. Explanada de Espana. When in Alicante, you simply can't miss the lively atmosphere of Explanada de Espana. This charming promenade is a feast for the eyes, adorned with 6.5 million marble tiles arranged in an impressive wave-like pattern. As the sun sets, the promenade truly comes alive. Enjoy the bustling energy as eclectic artists and entertainers fill the stalls, showcasing their talents and offering unique crafts and mouth-watering snacks. Don't forget to cross the modern pedestrian bridge connecting the promenade to Alicante Marina. Before leaving, indulge in the awesome dining options at seafront bars and restaurants, adding to your unforgettable experience. Take your time to soak up the enchantment of this destination with its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural experiences. Number 7. Postiguet Beach. Postikeet Beach, located at the foot of Santa Barbara Castle, is an idyllic spot offering wide views of the Mediterranean Ocean. With its sandy shore, it's the perfect place to soak up the sun or take a refreshing dip on scorching summer days. This beach is a hot favorite among tourists worldwide thanks to its popularity and proximity to the harbor. Spend your afternoon swimming, unwinding with a good book, or sipping cocktails while you watch boats gracefully sail by. Whether you're traveling solo or with loved ones, don't miss out on the chance to include Postiguet Beach in your Alicante itinerary. Number 6. Torrevieja Pink Lake. A short drive away from Alicante is the magnificent Pink Lake in Torrevieja. This stunning salt lake is known for its vibrant pink color, which is caused by the presence of a type of algae. The best time to visit this enchanting town is during the late summer, when the Pink Lake's waters dazzle in vibrant hues of pink and fuchsia. From mid-August to September, over 2,000 flamingos arrive for their breeding season, completing the breathtaking landscape. Number 5. Basilica of Santa Maria. The Basilica of Santa Maria is an amazing destination that shouldn't be missed. This remarkable church, dating back to the 14th century, boasts an exquisite Valencian Gothic style that will leave you in awe. Its historical significance as one of the oldest active churches in the city makes it a must-visit attraction. Step into a world of architectural splendor as you admire the Baroque and Rococo elements that adorn the Basilica de Santa Maria. The intricate details and craftsmanship are sure to impress even the most discerning visitors. Beyond its visual appeal, the church holds immense cultural value, so plan to participate in any of the vibrant local traditions like Holy Week processions and religious festivals. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Alicante experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 4. Alicante Archaeological Museum. Alicante's Archaeological Museum, or MARC, is a must for history enthusiasts. Ranked as one of the top things to do in Alicante, this museum takes you on an exceptional journey through various themed rooms and galleries. Discover classified and cataloged finds from prehistory, Iberian culture, Roman culture, and the Middle Ages. With over 80,000 pieces on display across 4 floors, you'll encounter urns, mosaics, and more. What makes this museum truly engaging is its innovative use of multimedia. Through augmented reality maps, you'll witness history come to life, blending modern-day imagery with intriguing insights about the region's past. Number 3. Alicante Central Market. If you're a food lover or eager to explore new flavors, the Alicante Central Market is the right place to be. This bustling market offers a fantastic chance to immerse yourself in the local culture and cuisine. What makes it even more special is the magnificent historic architecture that envelops the market. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a delightful array of stalls offering the freshest local produce. Take your time to wander around, savoring the aromas and colors that surround you. Spend some time admiring the intricate ornamental details on the building, which date back to the early 20th century. It's an experience that will leave you with a deeper appreciation of Alicante's culinary heritage and architectural beauty. Number 2. Bonfires of St. John. The Bonfires of St. John Festival in Alicante is an absolute blast. Each year between the 19th and 24th of June, the people of Alicante spill onto the streets to celebrate the arrival of summer by feasting and lighting bonfires. A memorable party ensues, culminating in spectacular fireworks displays and the burning of effigies on enormous bonfires. To get a deeper understanding of the festival's rich history and cultural importance, head over to the Bonfire Museum in Alicante. Inside, you'll find a massive collection of papier-mâché sculptures that hilariously mock politicians and famous figures. Whether you're a fan of religious traditions or simply crave an epic beach party with towering fires nearby, attending the Bonfires of St. John is an absolute must. Soak up the energetic atmosphere, mingle with locals, and enjoy the vibrant spirit of Alicante. Number 1. Day Trip to Tabarka Island. One of the highlights of Alicante is Tabarka Island, a charming and picturesque island just a short boat ride away. It's the perfect day trip option. Hop on a boat for a 50-minute ride and discover this unique and only inhabited island in the region of Valencia. Once you set foot on Tabarka Island, you'll be spoiled for choice with the things to do. Take a leisurely stroll along the village streets, marvel at the historic landmarks like the iconic Tabarka Lighthouse, or simply unwind on the beach. Don't forget to bring your snorkeling gear to explore the crystal clear waters. Click here for more things to do in Spain.